In this video I'm going to show you how to get Amazon Prime on the Nintendo Switch 2. First go to System Settings, scroll down to Internet, select Internet Settings, select the Wi-Fi you are using, select Change Settings. Then scroll down to DNS Settings and switch this to Manual. And then change the primary DNS to this code, so 045.055.142.122. Now, once you've done that, click on Save, click on OK. Then connect again to your Wi-Fi. And it will fill the last step of the internet connection, but this is totally okay. Click on OK. Select Google. And here type in Amazon Video. Done OK. And here select the first one. And this is how to get Amazon Prime on the Nintendo Switch 2.